Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Welcome to another day, another ordinary day, but a healthy day in my life. So today is Monday here in Toronto, pretty cold as usual. It's winter. What can I do? I woke up early, I went to the gym, I did my strength training today, and then I had this amazing hot yoga class, and then I came back home. Now I'm greeting you so I can properly start my day. I say that my day only starts after I greet you. So plans for today: work. I'm heading to a cafe. No, I'm not heading to anywhere right now. I'm gonna take a shower. That's important. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna go to a coffee shop to work from there. I have some work to do. I have a couple of videos to edit, and then when I come back home, more work as usual. I have client meetings in the afternoon. So yeah, let's get started. Come with me to my day. Kicking off my week with a visit to a favorite coffee shop set the perfect tone for a productive Monday. This isn't just any coffee shop. Its unique cultural vibe, rooted in its location within a theater, adds an extra layer of inspiration to my workday. The creative energy here is palpable, blending seamless with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. A combination that energizes both my mind and spirit. As I settled back into the comfort of my home, it was time to focus on nourishment, not just for the body, but for the soul. Baking my protein cookies, a weekly ritual, became the day's highlight. These cookies are more than just a treat. They are a cornerstone of my dietary routine, helping us meet our protein goals in the most delicious way possible. For those curious about the recipe, a visit to my blog not only offers access to this protein-packed secret, but also an invitation to join a community of wellness enthusiasts through my newsletter. The afternoon unfolded with the simple pleasure of brewing a cup of black tea, this time with a twist of strawberry infusion. The tea of the day isn't just a beverage, it's a moment of pause, an opportunity to slow down and reflect on the day's achievements while savoring the fruity aroma flavors that complement the depth of black tea. With my cup of tea in hand, it was time to continue editing my vlogs. At this point, you already know that I like to share simple tips with you, simple things that you can do that are going to actually change a lot in your life. They are gonna make a lot of difference. And today I have an interesting one. I have this device. It's a simple mandolin, or should I say mandolin? I don't know how to say in English.
Mandolin.
Well, it's a slicer. It's a vegetable slicer. It's a miracle, I would say. It's a miracle device. It's a simple device that can actually change your relationship with your meals. Why? How can I say? Because this can help you to overcome one of the main challenges I see that with clients almost every day. One of the main challenges they have to eat better, it's the prep. It's the preparation. No one likes to cut. I have to say, I love cooking. I hate cutting. So this is a simple way to start, because sometimes I tell people, eat more salad, eat more this and that. I know that slicing a carrot, slicing a radish, cucumber can be time consuming and we want things quick. So I always say, get this. This saves lives. This is gonna, as I said, it's gonna change your relationship with food. And I have this one. This one is a Japanese one. It's a Japanese brand, very traditional one. I would say almost like a professional one. It costs around 40 to 50 bucks on Amazon. But what I'm gonna say to you, go to a dollar store, go to Amazon, buy one for way less than that. With 10 bucks, you can buy one of these. It's not gonna last forever, but you can test it out to see if it's a good fit for you. You only spend 10 bucks, spend a week using it, see if it helps you, and if you like it, then you can invest in a good one that it's gonna last you way more. I already said that in a previous vlog. Sometimes we think that the monster is bigger than it actually is. So sometimes we think,
I would eat a carrot, but it's gonna take too long to cut.
then if you think about it, it would take less than 2 minutes. And with this, you can get a carrot, you can get a radish and a cucumber, and I can guarantee in less than a minute, you have a salad, just like that. So that's my tip for today. That's my small step that is gonna move you way forward with your diet. Get a slicer. It doesn't cost that much. It doesn't take too much space. Actually leave it on the counter so you can always see it and use it. Most of them you can put in the dishwasher, or actually just a quick wash, like 15 seconds. Buy this. Don't need to buy an expensive one. Buy a cheap one to start. Try it for a couple of weeks. See if it changes your relationship with food. I'm pretty sure it will. And then you invest in a good one. Dinner preparation was an exercise in culinary creativity, combining wholesome ingredients with thoughtful preparation. Chopping carrots and broccoli, I paired them with quinoa, but not just any quinoa. I cooked it in the shrimp stock prepared in the last vlog, infusing it with a depth of flavor that only homemade stock can provide. This foundation of grains and vegetables was the perfect backdrop for the salmon fillets, which I prepared with a marinade of soy sauce, honey, and hot sauce. wrapped in parchment paper and baked to perfection. The final touch was a crisp salad of cucumber, radish, and celery, marinated in balsamic vinegar. This addition of fresh, tangy flavors balanced the richness of the salmon and the earthiness of the quinoa, creating a harmonious plate that was as nourishing as it was flavorful. It is in this daily practice, these moments of choice and intention, that we find the essence of a healthy lifestyle. I hope this glimpse into my day inspires you to find joy in the journey towards wellness, to embrace the process of nourishing both body and soul, and to create moments of beauty and balance in your own daily routine. So here's to a week of purpose, passion, and wellness. Let's make it a beautiful one. Namaste.